Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
We're going to the moon! Strap up! We're finally going to the moon! It's about friggin' time! It's about friggin' time! I was about to go insane! But we're good! Strap up! We're going to the moon! Wiggle it, guys! Wiggle it! Come on, we're all in here together! Invest all your new stimmies! All your new stimmies that we're about to get! Invest them! Strap up! Jimmy's so stupid. All right, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Hope you guys had a fantastic Monday, as good as your Monday can get. I mean, how good can your Monday get, right? Especially if you guys were working today. I mean, how good can Monday be? That's not that much better than the weekend. But what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin actually performing pretty well today, right? We knew that today was going to be a critical day for Bitcoin, right? We were going to say if the stock market held up, which it did so far, right? We'll see what the rest of the week is going to tell us, but the S&P at least did hold up today. Bitcoin as well, right? Because of that, actually had a green day. So, and not green day like wake me up when September ends, right? We're not doing any wake up when September ends songs today, but so far, right? Bitcoin's looking pretty good today. I mean, we're up about 1%, nothing crazy, but you see altcoins performing pretty well too today. Let me get a sip of water, guys. You see altcoins looking pretty well today too. So we got a half hour. Let me actually adjust the daily close time there, because I had to do that for the time. There we go. We got 28 minutes until the daily close. 28 minutes. So we'll see where Bitcoin ends up. Now, I want to start out on the daily time frame today, because Bitcoin did come up and actually wick to the top of the wedge, guys. We have this downtrending resistance of the wedge. We came up and wicked just shy of the top of that wedge. Now, we were talking about how this is going to be a very kind of probably will be a very tough level for Bitcoin to break. Why? Well, you got two very important moving averages here. You got the 20-day EMA, and you also got the 50-day EMA coming in right around these general levels. So it's got to be a good amount of resistance there, right? It's the downtrend of resistance on the wedge, and two very important daily exponential moving averages coming in right at that level. So we got to see what happens here, all right? We got to see what happens here. We hit our head on this, like I kicked the bears in the nuts, okay? And you guys know I've been kicking the bears in the nuts for the last 3 days. Do I need to do it again? I think I do. Hold on. Need to kick the bears in the nuts again today. All right, so we kicked the bears in the nuts, right? But we still got some work to do, right? I wanted to kick the bears in the nuts to begin the stream, and like we say, if they're chick bears, well, they get kicked in the jug. Okay, they get kicked in the jugs. All right, so the nuts and the jugs. There we go. But anyways, that's pretty much the daily, right? That's pretty much the daily. Now, if we can get back above this trend line, which is still a big if right now, right? Still a big if at the moment. Ultimately, we still have to break back above this red box here, which it's got to be might be a pain in the butt. Might be a little bit pain in the butt, just because we tried to break it up here and we couldn't. So ultimately, we still got a lot of work to do. Let's first focus on breaking out of our wedge if we can, and then we'll worry about higher prices. Up until then, we still got work to do. WTF. Bro, that hurts. When your mom dropped you on your head too many times? Hey, that's me, man. That's me. Other than that, guys, the 4 hour. What's going on in the 4 hour? It's pretty much the same thing. We got this downtrend of resistance on the 4 hour. Pretty much the same thing as, pretty much the same thing as your daily, right? You came up to it and you wicked right to that resistance. Now, if we went straight up right now, that would put us somewhere in the $58,800 range for to come up and hit that resistance. And you probably would want to see like 58,900 to confirm some type of breakout there. So we're a little bit far away. We got $900 for a breakout. So we still got some work to do. But what I like on the 4 hour, and something that we didn't do last time we actually tried to do this, is you guys can see here, we pumped, we came back down, and we actually back tested the 20 EMA here, and now are trying to move up higher. Okay, so that's perfect. That's perfect. Actually, that's the 50. The 50 EMA. Investor stimmy. Make sure you guys invest your stimmies if we are going to get stimmies. I don't know if we're going to get any more stimmies. But hey, I hope I'll take a stimmy. If you guys will take a stimmy, let me know in the chat. If you guys will take a $500 stimmy, I will be a Jimmy here and I'll take a $500 stimmy. I mean, I'll take it. It is what it is. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, we came back down and tested the 50-day EMA and got a bounce off of it. The reason why I think that's somewhat important is because we tried to do the same thing back here, and we came back down, but then we broke it to the downside. Whereas this time, we were able to reclaim that, we were able to hold it, and we were able to shoot back up. Now, here's the scenario where, maybe we come back down, okay? And then hear me out. You guys are probably like, Jordan, we don't want to go back down, okay? We don't want to go back down. We just want to go straight to the moon, okay?
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Right? We don't want to go back down.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
But if we were to get rejected here, okay? Hear me out before you guys get too upset, okay? Before you guys get too upset, hear me out here. If Bitcoin was to get rejected here and came back down, okay? Which, we don't know what's going to happen, but let's say this does happen. We came back down and we actually back tested this previous high here, which we never came back down to back test actually. But if that was to happen, came back down and we were to come back up and then bounce, okay? Well, that would be the start of, some type of, inverse head and shoulders pattern, but it's a little bit too early to say, right? So there's still possibilities of us maybe coming back down to test this 55.4 level, which I know none of us want. We're like, Jordan, please don't even say that, right? Don't talk about bearish scenarios. Just talk about bullish scenarios. That scenario is still there, right? That scenario is definitely still there. Agent said nope. Agent said nope. I won't hear you out. Yeah, we're just talking about bullish stuff in here. Hourly, I mean, it's just this downtrend of resistance on all time frames, right? What I'll say about the hourly, and it's kind of another thing, is the 200 1 hour EMA was also nicely back tested as support, as well as us back testing this level that we had here, about 56.9, us coming back down to back test that as well. So some nice back tests there in the hourly. We moved up, okay, got rejected again, came back down. And you guys can see here on this hourly, it's pretty much, as of right now, just a back test of this previous high. You guys can see support, which was your previous high looking like there. So a classic resistance into support flip, as we would say. And yeah, I mean, we're kind of, let's see if we can get some type of W reversal back to the upside here. We got to kind of hold this double bottom here. You got one bottom, you got two bottom. Will we hold this double bottom, get some type of W reversal, and then move back to the upside? That's the ultimate question here on the hourly for me, if we want to obviously continue this trend without any type of pullback, okay? Hourly RSI, has cooled off a little bit here. It does have some room to run if it so wants to, which is also a good thing as well. Looks like a Jordan wedgie reversal pattern. It's always a wedgie reversal pattern, man. How many times have we said it, okay? Wedgie.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Wedgie.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
And our current wedgie.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Okay. To me, it's the same thing that happens every time. Every time you'll have the bears say, "No, we're going to zero. It's over. It's over. I told you I was correct." And then Bitcoin comes back and says,
Nope. Nope.
Rant alert.
Nope.
Rant alert.
Nope.
okay? Every single
Nope.
time. So we honestly have to stop listening to the bears, okay? We got to stop listening to the bears. At some point, they will be right, but let's trust the wedgie. Let's trust the wedgie. The wedgie has not failed us to date, okay? The wedgie has not failed us to date. The day that the wedgie fails us to date will be the day where I admit defeat. But until then, we cannot admit defeat. We cannot admit defeat against the bears. We just can't. It doesn't make too much sense to until we're proven wrong. They're always wrong. Go call Matic a scam somewhere else. Matic a scam? Who's calling Matic a scam? Sounds like a Karen to me. Who's in the chat calling Matic a scam? Matic is such a scam. It has no use case. It doesn't make Ethereum more scalable or anything. The second biggest coin. What we don't even call an altcoin. Like, Matic is useless. I'm spreading FUD. I want to speak to all your guys' managers that like Matic. I want to spread more FUD. Friggin' Matic Karens in the chat. Stop being Karens, okay? There's nothing wrong with Matic. Nothing wrong with Matic. Stop copying Java. Check out Costa. Oh, hell no.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
I don't care how good Costa does, guys. I will never check out Costa on my channel. I will never check out Costa on my channel. I don't care how good it does, okay?
Rant alert.
I am sick and tired of hearing about Costa. If I see Costa one more time on Twitter, I will squeeze my head, like I always say, I will squeeze my head like a damn watermelon. I am so sick of hearing about Costa. I am sick of it. I will never look at it. I don't care if it gets higher than Bitcoin. All right. Moving on. All right. The other thing I want to touch on the daily. All right. The other thing that I wanted to touch on the daily. If we look here, I mean, it's just a stair step. It's our classic stair step pattern to the upside. Okay. You got your previous resistance flipping into new support, and then we move up. You got your previous resistance flipping into new support. Okay. That's really all we're doing here, right? As of right now, that's really all we are doing for the most part here is just continually flipping new resistance into new support, back testing, right? Everyone always says, oh, it's over. It's over. It's done, right? And then all we did is just backtest the previous high and then reverse. Then you hear again, it's over. It's over. It's over. Oh, now just backtest the previous high. Oh, it's not over. We'll see what happens. We're not out of the woods yet, as I like to say. We still got to get some more upwards momentum here, but it's the same thing over and over and over again. Everyone's the most fearful always when we're right at support. Every single time. Welcome to my moon. My name is Carl. Yep. Patrick said we're going to 0.
Everybody panic, we're going to 0.
Matizzle said I needed to go down. Got too much USDT. Well, that sounds like a you problem and not a me problem, man. No offense. No offense at all. All right. The other thing on Bitcoin on the daily that I just wanted to say is we're coming up on our daily EMA ribbon. Now, like we said in the past, guys, when Bitcoin's below the daily EMA ribbon, it likes to have a W reversal to the upside, okay? So here is, one scenario that could play out here, right? You guys can see down here, we got rejected, had a W reversal back to the upside. Here we had a W reversal back to the upside. Will we get that same type of thing? Now, we can't really constitute this as a W reversal just yet, but will Bitcoin get rejected, come back down again, and then break to the upside? I still think that's a possibility. I don't want to rule something like that out, because that's what Bitcoin's done really the previous 2 times, right? It comes back down and it kind of back tests the previous level that it got support at, and then it moved back to the upside, okay? And then it did. So now I'm hoping it just breaks here. I'm hoping it just breaks. In order for you to break this, you got to get back above about 58,756. We're about a little bit less than $1,000 away from getting back above that right now, but we can do that, right? What's $1,000 among friends, as Ben Cowan would say? What is $1,000 among friends? By the way, guys, let's hit up those likes. We broke all-time high likes yesterday. That was absolutely insane. The support on yesterday's stream was absolutely insane. I obviously wanted to thank you guys, because that meant the world to me, man. When I opened it up after the stream and I saw we got close to 1,900 yesterday, that made me feel some type of way, dude. So I appreciate the support. If we can somehow get back to close to those levels, let's do it. So smash up that like button, guys. It really helps the stream out. Clearly it helped yesterday, so I definitely appreciate that, guys. The other thing is I'm going to be doing a giveaway on for Instagram, guys. I've been posting more updates and stuff on my Insta. So make sure you guys go follow me on my Insta. You even have a picture of Bob right here. You even have a picture of Bob. You got a picture of Bob right here, man. Go follow me on Insta at Jordan N. Cameron. I'm giving away $50 for anyone that follows me. Okay, anyone that follows me, I'm giving away $50. And make sure you guys also come and like this first picture. That's how I'm gonna pick the winner. Just so we know it's someone that has followed me recently. So make sure you guys follow me, like this first picture, and then I'm gonna pick a winner in a little bit. And if we can hit 2,000 followers somehow, I'll up it to 2 people getting $50. All right, 2. All right, not 1. But I've been posting more updates and stuff like that. And I'm trying to grow that platform as well. So appreciate that, guys. Anyways, Bitcoin on the weekly. Just going back over the weekly, guys. It's just like the daily. It's just a stair-step pattern to the upside, right? Previous resistance flip into new support, right? Previous resistance flipping into new support with nice, juicy, right? I mean, this is like the definition of a juicy wick, right? The size of a damn pickle, okay? A juicy wick, all right? Came back down, back tested the 20-week EMA awesomely, and are now trying to move to the upside. Now, if we look at the last time this happened, where Bitcoin came back down and tested the 20-week, what's interesting is we actually did have 1 week green, and then we came back down and tested the 20-week SMA. Now, do I think that's likely again? Could be. And the reason why I say that is, the reason why I say that is the 20-week SMA is coming up pretty fast. That's almost up to 52,000 now. So like we said on the daily, Is it possible for Bitcoin to come back down here one more time and then reverse back to the upside? Which at that point would probably mean that you're going to probably come back down and test the 20-week SMA at that point, you know, and then continue up, you know. Certainly a possibility. That's what you did last time, though we certainly could just reverse from here. I'm not saying we can't reverse from here. I would love that. I would absolutely love that, okay? I would absolutely love for us to just reverse here. But our relative floor is 52,000 to 53.5 now. So it's not I want to say it's our floor, but I think it's the points that we want to hold, and those are moving up quickly. So I do enjoy where those are going down. If you guys like pickles, let me know in the chat. I'm not a big pickle guy. If you want to slice some pickles and throw it on some burgers, I will nail some pickles. Okay, but if you just give me like a fat, this sounds so wrong. If you just want to give me a fat pickle and for me to eat a fat pickle, I'm going to tell you right now, I am not a big fan of just eating fat. I'm not a big fan of just eating fat pickles, man. I'm not. It's got to be a chopped up pickle in a sandwich for me personally. A reverse would pickle my pickle juices. Oh, God. I don't even want to know what that... All right. We went there. We went there. I think it's time for us to sacrifice the Giordano Inu fractal, guys. I want to say it's still valid, and I think it still could be, right? I mean, if we adjusted it like savvy a little bit, maybe we adjust it like savvy like this. Maybe we're just a little bit behind. But I think it's almost time for us to retire the Giordano Inu fractal. I'm even going to draw a trash can here. Okay? I'm even going to draw a trash can. Just to make sure that it's the trash. I promise this is the trash can, guys. I promise this is a trash can. Okay. I'm gonna put a text in here that says trash, so you guys don't get the wrong idea. All right. Trash. Here we go. It's a trash can. I'm gonna get the trash can ready. If we don't reverse here in the next couple days, we're throwing this in the trash. Okay. But for right now, we're gonna adjust it like savvy and hope that we move to the upside here relatively quick. Why is it pink? It's a pink trash. It doesn't look like a trash can. Oh, every time, bro. I just gotta. No one else would think of anything like that, just me. Anyone else would just draw that and they would think of the trash can. Not me, man. Not me. My mind kind of wanders sometimes, dude. Ethereum. I got you on Ethereum right now. So we know we're watching for Bitcoin. We know what we're watching for Bitcoin, as Ethereum would say. Now Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is looking juicy. I'm playing the bump song for ETH because ETH is looking juicy. Chris said, great channel. Appreciate you from England. What's going on, Chris? What's going on, Chris? Hope you're not my brother. My brother would never say something like that, so I assume that that is not him. Appreciate you, Chris. Yeah, but ETH, guys, 44.43. Coming up to this next resistance right here. We're getting a little resistance on this previous high looking left at about right about where we're at now, right? Right about 44.39. I mean, we're slightly over that previous high right now. I'm looking for a close above there. We got 9 minutes. I'm looking for a daily close. Hopefully we can get a little bit higher here to have a little bit more confirmation. But if we get a daily close above that, I think we're looking pretty good here for Ethereum. We want George impression. You guys are sitting there like, we want George. We want George. Oh man, you guys like we're not here for you. We're here for George. No, but 44444. If that does break, we're looking for a move to 4,500, 52.88, right? The previous highs from just a couple days ago. That's what we'll be looking at if that does break. ETH is looking a lot juicier than Bitcoin today. I mean, I've been telling you guys, ETH Bitcoin is exploding, right? ETH is outpacing Bitcoin like a kid at the candy store that doesn't want the Skittles, which is Bitcoin, but wants the blue sharks. If you guys know what I'm talking about, those blue candy sharks, those things are legit. The little gummy ones. I haven't ate those in a while, but let me tell you, as a kid, I always wanted the blue baby, the little blue shark candies. Those things were legit. I can't explain it unless you had it. But, man, those things were good. 45.52 would be the next level there for ETH. Let's actually go to the smaller time frame here. Anything we got to worry about at the moment on Cap and Ethereum? Not yet. We don't have bearish divergence, right? We have lower highs. We have the same level on the RSI. So no bearish divergence, which is great. At the moment, okay? Keyword at the moment. Like we said, we want to get a close above this previous high. We'd be looking pretty juicy there for ETH. That's really it, man. That's really it. That's really all waiting on ETH right now. I want to see if we have a downtrend of resistance. Yeah, and not quite yet. We're almost at that downtrend of resistance for ETH. Not quite yet. You guys can see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and it's actually a little bit lower right there. Coming up on it, if you do get to about 44.81, that's going to be right at that downtrend of resistance for you for ETH. So looks like we're trying to move up right now, 44.51. We do have a previous wick back here too, which could be a little bit of an issue. That might be why ETH is kind of struggling here at the moment. Not struggling. I'm not going to say it's struggling, but the reason why it's kind of chilling here. All right, here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. 44.54. I'm blurry, by the way, guys. I am blurry. And I love it. Man, I got to tell you guys. I'm feeling pretty good. The last 2 days, I'm feeling pretty good. Crypto is swinging back up. It's always better when crypto goes back up, bro. And I bet you guys are feeling pretty good the last 2 days as well. It's never fun when crypto goes down. I mean, you get all the trolls and the bears and all the trolls and the bears, man. They come out the woodwork. But hey, that's life. I mean, trolls and bears are like if you work at a restaurant and you got some crabby freaking old guy going, "Where's my soup?" And then you bring him the soup. Actually, this could be Mike. It's some crabby old guy. You bring him the soup, okay? And he's not even happy after he gets the soup. This is him after he gets the soup. "It's too hot! It's too hot!" Sir, it's soup. It's supposed to be hot. What do you mean it's too hot? It's supposed to be hot. Well, I like my soup lukewarm. I like it lukewarm. Take it back. Sir, just wait 10 minutes. Or not even wait 10 minutes. Wait 2 minutes. It'll cool down, okay? And then you'll be good. You don't even need a new soup. Just wait like 2 seconds for it to cool down, bro. You're good. Where's the manager? Where's the manager? I need my soup and I need it now. I mean, that's pretty much what it's like. So keep that in mind. Where's Karen? That's Raw. That's Mike. That's the guy version of Karen. Have you guys seen Crypto Mansion? It's sick. $25 million. Yeah, I saw it. Crypto is the homie, man. Well, it's not the homie. Hopefully someday I can make him the homie. I'd love to hang out with You'd be the homie to hang out with. But yeah, I mean, we're kind of just chilling here. We got 4 minutes until the close. I think watching the Ethereum close is probably even better than watching Bitcoin close. I mean, the close on Bitcoin right now is, whatever. I mean, it's got to be where it doesn't really matter where it closes at this point. It's not really at a spot where I'm like, all right, it has to close at this level or else we're doomed, right? Not necessarily. Let's see what else we got here. We got Weaponized Sponge. What a name, man. Weaponized Sponge. That is a name. Strap up, guys. Invest in your stimmies. I love Jimmy. I like Jimmy too, but he had a crazy look in his eye for a little bit. I thought he was going to kill me for a little bit. So I'm happy we're going up. I hope we don't go back down because he might. You guys, one day you guys might not see me. I might be gone. It'll be because of Jimmy. What is Costa, man? Costa, this is from C7. I think for the super chat, man, he said, what is Costa? Costa is a coin that Carl the Moon shills about 10 times a day on Twitter. It's not just Carl. There's other people that do it too, but Carl's the most annoying about it. That's what Costa is. I don't know anything about the coin, but it's just the fact that it's just shilled. You know? It's crazy, man. If you're gonna shill anything, shill the like button. Smack that like button, guys. Let's break all-time high likes again today. I don't know if we will, because it's not as much price action as yesterday, but let's try, all right? Smack that freaking like button, if you don't already. It's free, helps the stream out. I appreciate it, my guys. Steven said 3 out of 4 rant, you could do better. Smash those likes. I don't remember which rant you're talking about, Steven, but my rants today have been probably 3 out of 4. I definitely agree. David said, when the market dumps, there's huge liquidations. When it pumps, low liquidations. Looks like it's whales dumping it. No leverage needed. Looks like it's whales dumping it. When the market dumps, there's huge liquidations. Yeah, when it pumps, there's none. Hopefully, if we can break this wedge, hopefully we'll get some long liquidation, or not long liquidations, some short liquidations. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. Let's see. Wes said, can I buy that NFT trash can? The NFT trash can? You can if you want. I do just need to start. I mean, everyone's done the NFT thing. I guess at some point I need to do it too. Trash. At some point I need to do it too, but I haven't got around to it. And Wes, I didn't forget audio. I still got you on audio, Wes. If I forget, just put it in the chat. I'll try to remember. But I won't forget. But Tuckett said, XTZ, can we get some pump music? Is XTZ pumping? My little old friend Tezos. I used to be a Tezos fan. I made some good money on Tezos back in the day. Oh yeah. Tezos was looking good, man. Here you go. Oh, wow. That's a nice bounce. Tezos up like 25% at one point today. Absolutely crazy day on Tezos. Absolutely crazy day. I mean, it made sense for a level, right? I mean, that's the level it bounced from last time. If we actually just clear this out, we'll look at the daily close in a second here for our good friend Ethan Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, it made sense for a possible level of a reversal. I mean, if you look, I'm going to guess this was also a 6-1-A. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Look at that, man. That's beautiful. Okay, that was the previous level you bounced from here. You came back down to it again. The golden pocket zone. Kaboom! You bounce that right back to the upside. Now you're getting resistance on the 0.5. I mean, it's quite beautiful if you ask me. I mean, that's my favorite saying. And not only that, you also had bullish divergence on the daily. Okay? Higher lows on the RSI, lower lows on the daily, off the golden pocket, kaboom. All right? If this you can break this current level, you're probably going to go up to the 382, up towards 647. That's probably where you're going there. So, and there goes Tezos again. There goes Tezos right now. There goes Tezos. We're playing the pop music again. Best 100x buy now. I don't know how many people. I don't know how many people are sort of in Tezos. How many guys own Tezos? Do any guy? How many guys actually own XTZ? Let me know in the chat if you guys own XTZ. I don't know how many people actually do. No one really ever asked for XTZ, which is interesting. You know. Let me see. Go back to ETH here. ETH. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Hidden bearish divergence on 4-hour MACD on ETH. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up, man. You're gonna party. Yeah, you do have some divergence on the MACD. Got lower lows and higher, and lower highs and higher highs on the MACD. Sorry. So yeah, you have a little bit of bearish divergence on the MACD. Like I said, I love Tezos. Tezos, small bag. Been staking Tezos since 2019. There you go, Adam. You're probably killing it then, man. You've been holding Tezos since 2019. You're probably absolutely killing it. I'm gonna assume that Tezos is not the only thing you hold. But yeah, I mean, higher highs and lower highs, right? So there is a little bit of bearish divergence there in the MACD on the 4-hour. Let me check the daily real quick. Not doing too much on the daily. MACD on the daily about the flip bullish. Even though I don't usually like to use the MACD as far as like momentum. I like to use it more for divergences, which just is showing some bearish div on the 4-hour. But I mean, it's not confirmed. This could continue up. I mean, we're going to need to continue up. You don't want to get a reversal here. That could put a little bit of a pain in the butt there. All right, here comes Bitcoin back down.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, everybody panic, everybody panic, everybody panic, we're going to zero.
How many guys say, Jordan broke? Jordan literally broke. I did. That's what I usually do. Did you start early? I started at 6:30 today. Like I said, I'm gonna be a little bit more flexible now. I mean, sometimes I'll start at 6, sometimes I'll start at 6:30, sometimes I'll start at 7. But it'll be within an hour of each other most of the time, unless I have some plans at night and I'll be streaming a little bit earlier. Like we said, sometimes that does happen. Possibly Friday, I probably might be streaming earlier because your boy on Friday I definitely have plans, so I probably will be streaming earlier. Saturday, I got plans during the day, so I won't. I'll still be streaming at night on Saturday. But yeah, man. I got a busy weekend coming up. I got a busy week in general, dude. I don't really got much time this week. I didn't get the notification, said Chris. Hey, it is what it is, man. It's probably because we're drawing trash cans. That's probably why. It's probably because we're drawing trash cans that you probably didn't get a notification. ETH is still just chilling. Plan to dunk his donut. How many likes we at, guys? Let's go check. We got 1,650. We already got 700. I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna absolutely pass out. That's absolutely insane. We already got 700 likes right now. Holy crap, man. That is insane. You guys have killed it the last 2 days. All right, what else can we look at? Bitcoin hourly chart looks like saggy cans. Actually, let me do audio for Wes before I forget, because my short-term memory is not the greatest, but my long-term memory is pretty good. My short-term memory, though, oh, good luck. Good friggin' luck, man. You got a better chance of seeing Satoshi in the flesh. You know, in all seriousness, you probably have a better chance of seeing Satoshi. All right. Audio. Man. So you guys know I'm a big fan of audio. I mean, I was gonna buy it for a while, and I scooped some up during this dip down here. I don't even know what that means, bro. I really don't even know what that means. 800. You guys we're breaking all-time high likes again today. This is gonna be a new challenge. How many days in a row can we do it? I think we can do it every day, but I'm obviously being a little biased here. What's going on with audio here? I mean, there's not really much. Let's just go to the weekly because The weekly, I mean, the weekly looks pretty good. The weekly looks pretty sexy. Like if a coin was sexy, I would say that audio is looking pretty sexy right now. Like to the point where she might come over tonight. Like she's looking that good. But yeah, I mean, it's not like you know, a perfect pattern, but you guys can see a dupe, and a dupe. Okay? Now, you got to get more momentum to the upside here. Let's get some more momentum on the weekly. And this could be looking pretty juicy here. But let's get that weekly momentum. We got to get back up and break 310. We still got a long way to go. We can see that the weekly EMA ribbon's actually giving us support here. Look at the weekly 20. The 20 EMA and the weekly, which is the top of the EMA ribbon, just bounce. Eventually, you're going to get a launch pad off this. And it's going to be as soon as Bitcoin recovers, you're going to get a launch pad there. You know? So, I mean, if you're going to take a potential, I'm just going to look at a potential move, right? Whether this is an inverse head and shoulders, whether this is a cup and handle, I think you can kind of argue either way. Would probably put you a measure move up to like 561 if this eventually breaks out, which I got to assume it does here at some point. It's just a matter of when. Just a matter of when, in my opinion. Daily's looking, Daily's just kind of ranging sideways, you know, since August. So not really much going down there, but. You're offended? Oh, we need the fear and greed index, guys. How can we? What the heck is this? What is this? This is a new ad? Look at this new ad. 30% off, 30% off. Look at this. We have a new ad, guys. Consumer Reports. And we have a weird Clue Classic Tees ad. Let's actually refresh. We're at a 40. Oh, there's our true. It was short-lived. It was short-lived. We had some new ads there for a second, but that was very short-lived. But the Fear and Greed Index is at a 40, so take that for what you will. Take that for what you will. What's ETH doing? Is ETH pumping right now? Is ETH pumping? Trying to. 44.55 on ETH. ETH is still trying to move up. Still trying to move up here on ETH. What do you guys think? Will ETH break this resistance today? What do you guys think? Will ETH break 44.78 tonight? Will it break 44.78? I want to know the chat. We said we do have some bearish divergence on the MACD. It's there, right? It's there. We can't argue it. And you might start to be making some bearish divergence on the 4-hour RSI as well. So keep that in mind too. But you know, those can always be nullified if ETH can break these. But we might be making some type of divergences there on ETH. Some type of divergences there on ETH. She wants to go. Everyone's saying no. Everyone's saying no. Well, you know what? I hope it does. Don't count out my wife. Okay, you guys count out my wife? That's when she's going to go to the moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Okay. You guys are counting out my wife right now. I am offended. I am offended. Just like Karen. Okay? Just like Karen, I am offended. Okay? Karen will come out later and tell you how offended she is. She will. If you guys are doubting Karen, don't doubt Karen. Mic is muted. Don't start with the mic is muted. DJ Flexer said, I'm up 40K in my ETH long. DJ, you're being killed. I always seen you kill it, man. DJ's awesome, bro. DJ is literally in here all the time, bro. Always chatting up. I mean, a ton of you guys are. I'm not saying a ton of you guys aren't, but I always see DJ in there. I always see a lot of you guys in there. Wait, here comes Bitcoin? Who changed their name to Here Comes Bitcoin? That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, man. Here comes Bitcoin. 44.66. All right, so here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. ETH is going above 4,500, you think? All right, here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. Ah, man. Elon just posted that he's just dropping his friends off at the pool. I don't know what that means. I don't want to know what that means. I mean, Elon, I could see Elon being a dirty, dirty guy. You know, like it's the stuff he probably says, we just don't even know what it means. It's probably like dirty stuff. But yeah. Here comes ETH. You guys said it wouldn't break. Let's see if it breaks, boys. You guys said it wouldn't break. I mean, I gotta assume the 1 hour is pretty overshot on this. It's actually not. The 1 hour actually has room to run. The one hour actually has room to run. We don't care about offended Karens or ETH. That's pretty harsh, dude. DJ Flex says in every crypto chat all day long. Well, Bootney, you must be too then, if you know. You must be too. All right. Let's see. Okay, weekend. We got a new dumb. Jordan goes. We got a new dumb. All right, where are we at with on IG? Let's go check IG real quick. Let's refresh. 1,694. Guys, like we said, we're doing a $50 giveaway on IG tonight. $50 giveaway on IG. If we can somehow hit 2,000 tonight, we're going to be doing two $50 giveaways. So I'm going to give away $100 if we can get above 2,000 followers. If we don't, just 150 or just one $50 giveaway. So make sure you guys go follow me at Jordan and Cameron. I'm gonna be posting more. I always post crypto updates over there. If you got an IG. All right, here comes Bitcoin. 44.76. Let's friggin' go. 44. Oh, make sure you guys like my first picture too. That's how I'll pick the winner. That's how I'll pick the winner. Make sure you guys like my first picture on there. Or the latest picture, I should say. And that's how I'll pick the new winner. Okay? 44.76. Come on, boys. Come on, ETH. Come on, ETH.
Strap up. We're
We
going
need the
to
moon
the
helmet
moon.
on right now. We need the moon helmet. Boom. There we go. Here comes Bitcoin. I'm just dropping my friends off at the rocket. All right. Here we go. Here we go. I want to play the pump song. Let's see if we break the resistance, guys. Let's see. My wife is looking juicy. I'm telling you. We'll see. We'll see if that happens. Plot twist. Jack Dorsey is Satoshi and quit Twitter to become a Bitcoin. Mac Jones throwing straight dimes, wheeling moms. AFC leader Belichick still squats 400. Does he really, dude? That's actually crazy. For Bill Belichick to still squat 400, that's absolutely insane. Actually, that's absolutely insane. Jack Dorsey is Satoshi. He quit Twitter to become Bitcoin. That makes sense. That would make a lot of sense. Jack Dorsey is Satoshi. Does your wife have OnlyFans? She wouldn't be my wife if she had OnlyFans. I don't deal with any of that crap. I deal with that crap. All right, 44.82. Here we go. Here we go. All right. You guys said it wouldn't break. You guys said it wouldn't break. All right. Who's talking now, baby? Who's talking now, baby? Let's go. All you guys said no. All you guys said no. But there you go. There you go. 44.90. ETH is off to the race, or should in theory be off to the races. In theory. So let's see what ETH does here. Can we see 4,500 tonight? Can we see 4,500? Reverse psychology, baby. All you guys said no, just so it did. That's crazy. What's Bitcoin up to? Bitcoin's back up to 58,000. So Bitcoin's trying to move up to. Trying to is the key word, right? I mean, trying to is definitely the key word here for Bitcoin. Weekly for Doge. I got you, Darius, on Doge, my friend. If I haven't got to your super chat yet, I will get it in just a second. ETH and Bitcoin or at least ETH is trying to do things right now. So we always know we prioritize Bitcoin and ETH, right? The two most owned coins, two biggest coins. And that's what we do. That's what we do. All right. Let me a weird position here. We got a weird position here. All right. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good right there. If some of you guys were actually watching the screen and I just said what I just said, you guys were probably like, "What the heck is Jordan doing right now?" I was like, "What did I say?" I said, "This is a weird position here. Hold up. Let me switch. Let's switch." All right. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Some people, whoever was just like listening, was like, "What the heck is going on?" Or what am I watching right now? What just popped up? All right. Let's actually use this chart and look at some Doge on the weekly. Doge? That's what she said? Doge. What's going on with Doge? Is Doge moving up? Play with bruh. What's going on with Doge on the weekly time frame? So Doge on the weekly is looking a little sus. A little sus on the weekly time frame. Just kidding. It's not. I just felt like saying sus. It doesn't actually look sus. Doge. What I'll say about Doge? Doge is just coiling up for a move, right? Like a lot of things here. Got a low. Well, you kind of broke up higher here, but you get the general sentiment. You get the general sentiment. F to 5K. I'm hoping eat the 5K would be great. That would be absolutely great. Yeah, but you get higher lows and lower highs. You gotta assume that you make a move here at some point. You gotta assume. We'll check it out, Papano. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. This eventually breaks out, depending on where it breaks out. I don't know where it is, but let's just say sometime in December, you're probably looking somewhere upwards of 82 cents for Doge. But we gotta see what happens, right? We don't have a clue which way this is gonna break. Right? This could go down all the way until February, right? I mean, let's see what goes down here. Let's see what goes down, but I mean, Doge has been coiling since April, right? We're talking 7 months of coilage of just constant sideways action for Doge. So let's continue to watch Doge and see what happens, but Doge is Doge, man. Doge is freaking Doge. So that's Doge in a nutshell. Let's go take a look. What else do we got here? Can you look at the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud for Bitcoin? Absolutely. Let's check out the 4-hour Ichimoku. Ichimoku. Get rid of this. Let's see. So I think it can go below 56,000. Interesting. Because you're getting resistance on it right now. Can you get back above it, right? Can you get back above it? That is the question. That is the ultimate question at the moment. If you can, probably want to get back above like 58,196. But yeah, you definitely keep getting resistance on it. So let's hope that you can get back above. But yeah, if you did drop, it's going to show probably somewhere around 56.4. And that still could happen. That still kind of supports our theory of maybe Bitcoin doing something like this, where you come back down and then you pop back up, and then you have a kind of a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern, potentially. That's obviously the bearish sentiment. The bullish sentiment is we just break it and go back up. So I could see something like that happens. But we talked about that earlier, of that being a possibility. What the heck is Bitcoin doing? What the heck is Bitcoin doing? Let's actually go to like a 30-minute chart here. Let's get down. Let's even get dirtier. Let's go to the 15-minute. I want to get dirty right now. I want to get dirty. Dirty. All right. Man. So lower highs, in theory, maybe you're taking some type of wedge formation. You're trying it, maybe wedge formation, double bottom ish. You know, if you can bounce back up, perfect. You're going back up to test the highs, but let's see what happens, right? I mean, this is probably something that you're in right at the moment. So let's continue to watch this. No bullish div there. If you had bullish div, I'd be confident that you were pumping back up, but no bullish div at the moment. Let's see what Bitcoin does on this little 15-minute degen chart. Can you check out XRP? I can definitely check out XRP for you. Bob, you want to check out XRP? You want to check out XRP? No! Why would I want to check out XRP? I only like meme coins. I only like coins that I think can do 100x. XRP sucks. XRP sucks. It's been stagnant for years. I'm not doing XRP analysis. Look at this thing. It sucks. XRP sucks. I only like meme coins. XRP has no upside potential. I'm not doing it, Jordan. Don't make me do it. Anyways, XRP. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Hit that like button. I love pissing off. I love getting on the XRP maxi nerves. If you're an XRP maxi, I'm half kidding. Okay, I'm half kidding. Don't get all butthurt. I know you guys get really butthurt. It'll move. Just wait until the SEC case is over. Just wait until the SEC case is over. Been waiting all damn year. All right. Anyways, before I get too carried away and everyone gets pissed at me, let's see. I mean, XRP is XRP. I mean, in reality here, you're really just going sideways. You're really just going sideways here. I mean, since August, you're up and down and just going sideways, right? Now you want to hope that you want to hope that this has to you want to hope that this is some type of double bottom, right? Boom, boom. If it's going to act as some type of double bottom, you'll be good to go. Bring up the RSI here. See if you got anything here. Let's just see. Yeah, not really, man. No bullish div. Yeah. There's not really anything there. SEC. Man. Screw XRP. XRP Army's gonna be mad. They're always mad. They're always mad. What are you gonna do? I'm surprised people haven't quit the XRP Army yet. But yeah, XRP's bouncing back pretty well right now. You know, Bitcoin's bouncing back, so you'll see XRP bounce back. I mean, it's only the natural occurrence of things. But yeah, let's see what it does next. Still gonna get back above the daily EMA ribbon. I'm assuming you're below the 4-hour. You try to get back above the 4-hour. You get back above the 4-hour EMA ribbon, you're looking a lot better. Probably a move back up to like $1.06, but you got some work to do there for good old XRP. All right, ETH came back down. ETH came back down.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Let's see. 900. We have 994 likes right now, guys. We're breaking all-time high likes again. Smash that like button. We are going to break yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard. We had 1,900 likes on yesterday's stream, and that was insane. That was insane. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're about halfway there. We're doing pretty good. Could you check out XRP? We did XRP. Chris said, can we check out Harmony 1? I got you, Chris. I got you on Harmony 1, Chris. Harmony. Harmony 1. XRP. XRP. RIP. I gotta stop, man. I gotta stop. I'm sorry, guys. I just get carried away when I talk about XRP. All right. What's going down on Harmony 1? Nothing really going down on Harmony 1. Sand? If we get 2,000 likes, he would do TA on Safe Moon. Deal. Deal. I will do TA on Safe Moon. I don't actually think Safe Moon's on TradingView. Or else I would. Because apparently Safe Moon has utility now. You guys know? Safe Moon has utility now. Safe Moon's not a meme coin anymore. Just like every other meme. You know, not a meme coin anymore. Has utility. But yeah, I mean, what I say about Harmony 1 is, yeah, you had sort of a, you came back down below this previous high last time, and actually back tested this high. And this time, you came back down and back tested this high. So you actually came, it's just nice back testing in 2 different times. You're trying to make higher lows here. Let's actually check out the daily. Yeah, so you broke down below the EMA ribbon. This time you held it. So now what you want to do is get back above it, in my opinion. You can get back above like 28 cents, which you're pretty close to. I mean, that's not going to take too much there. You'll be looking a lot better. Let's zoom in on the hourly. See if we got anything cooking. Possibly something cooking here. Definitely could be something cooking. You know, we got a boom, boom, and boom. That definitely could be some type of reversal pattern for you. Definitely. I got you on Chili's. Robert Kraft. Oh, my guy Kraft. My guy Robert Kraft invested into Chili's. Wow. They're the first partner for Chili's. That's actually pretty crazy. That's actually pretty awesome news for Chili's. Yeah, but 30.5 cents would be the breakout target if this couldn't break to the upside, potentially. Depends on like where the neckline is. You could argue it's up here, you know, but if that breaks, that just general level around like 27.5, probably going up to 30.6, which would then like set you up for the daily, you know? So not too shabby there. Harmony 1, XPR Protein, amazing project. Let's check out XPR. I repeat, let's check out XPR. Let's check it out on Qcoin. XPR. Let's go to the daily on XPR. This thing pulled back. I saw a lot of people were buying XPR. I saw it in Discord today, and I saw a lot of people were scooping up XPR. And it's a good spot too. I mean, look at that. I mean, you closed right at the golden pocket. And you tried to reverse. I mean, that was a good level to buy some right there. Definitely. If you picked it up on this wick, even better. Even friggin' better. If you picked it up anywhere on this wick, like from the bottom, I mean, you're already up 40-something% if you got in the bottom. But yeah, I mean, nice little reversal there for XPR at a level that makes a ton of sense in theory. Level that makes a ton of sense in theory. Actually, yeah, I mean, this thing, not really any type of pattern, but, you know, you get the general sentiment. We're up to 618. Hopefully you reverse back to the upside now. The big level to get back above is these previous lows right here, which you're getting some resistance on, right? You get back above 27 cents-ish. I mean, 2.7 cents-ish. Which is the previous supports. So we had support, flipped into resistance. Now you want to get back above that and not flip into the resistance again. And you'll be looking even better for XPR. Andy said, I'm curious about Costa. Been seeing a lot about it on Twitter.
Nope.
Let's ask Bob what he thinks about Costa. Shut the heck up! We know you like Costa. Please, stop. I'm gonna unfollow you. All I see, Bitcoin's going to the moon. And then right under it, oh, and Costa's going to the moon too. We know you like Costa. You like Costa more than I like friggin' pasta. Which is friggin' sad, because I love pasta. We know, Carl. Chill with the friggin' Costa. Holy crap, man. You're gonna make him insane, bro. You're gonna make him insane. You know, so we're not looking at Costa in the stream because Bob will literally punch his screen, and I don't want him to do that. Okay, I don't want him to do that. Let's check out IG. Let's see where we're at. 17th. We're almost there, guys. We hit 2,000. If we hit 2,000 followers on the IG, we're doing two $50 giveaways. Two $50 giveaways. We're already doing one. Okay, we're already doing one. All right, we're already doing one. But if we hit 2,000, we're going to do another one. Make sure you guys go follow me, Jordan and Cameron. I'm going to be picking two or one random person if you guys like this picture right here on IG as well, okay? So make sure you guys go like that pic. Go like that pic, man. That's the reason why, or how I'm going to pick the winner. Make sure you guys go pick that. Also, Bob is right here. If you guys want to see what Bob actually looks like in real life, he is right here. So make sure you guys go check it out, okay? He's right there. He's gonna kill me, bro. If he ever sees me doing that, he's gonna freaking kill me. He's gonna kill me, dude. New bet. 10K ETH by the end of the year, and you get your ear pierced. Rock a Shiba earring Vegas. Actually, I actually already have my ears pierced from my I wouldn't say hoodlum days. From my I guess young and dumb days, even though I guess some of you guys will still think I'm young, but for my really dumb and young days, when I was like 18, there you go. They're probably closed by now. I haven't done anything since like probably 8 years now, but that's yeah, they're already there. Jesse said, can you look at Ecomi? We could do Ecomi. Why not? Why not? Let's do Ecomi. Ecomi. What's going down on Ecomi? Let's see what's going down in Goblin Town. Yeah, Ecomi's too. It's the same thing on Ecomi. It's the same friggin' thing, right? Previous high, flip it into support, flip it into support. Okay, I mean it's the same type of frickin' structure. Car brakes for Pop. Oh man, but yeah, I mean chill out. All right, previous high, previous high, turning into support, which is awesome. We broke the. I mean, let's check out the weekly. Actually, see what the weekly EMA ribbon is. It's too early to tell. Too early to tell. But it's a nice back test of support on the weekly too. I mean, look at that. Boom into boom. Okay, boom into boom, as we like to say. I don't know if we actually like to say that, but I'm going to pretend that we do. I'm going to pretend that we do like to say that. Look at that. Uptrending support line also back tested. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back tested perfectly there. So that's also a win-win. A win-win situation. Now we got to bounce back here, and we looking better for sure. Looking better for sure. We ultimately, I mean, at the end of the day, we just want to get back above this like double high, right? We had high, boom, boom. Okay, high, boom, boom. 1.1K likes. Oh, we're getting there. Hit up that like button, guys. Hit up that like button. Check out 4-hour Ichimoku Cloud. We did this for ETH to 5K. Dude, I'm not getting my ear. I am not wearing a Shiba earring. A Shib earring. How much would you guys want to see me wear a Shib earring? Yes or no? A Shib earring in my ear. Yes or no in the chat. If you guys want to see it, I will make it happen for you. If I can. I don't know. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way. Because I'm not doing that again. For ETH to 5K. Wako said, can you take a look at Planet Watch? New project that tracks air quality data. Business model reminds me of helium. Okay. Is it on TradingView? That is the question there. Planet Watch. I'm assuming it's this one. Holy majoli, look at that way. I don't know if this is the right one. Let me just make sure. Planet Watch. Planets. Okay. So let's actually go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour. Juicy, juicy 4 hour. Yeah. Really not much there in the 4 hour. What I'd say, I mean, you had bearish divergence, right? You had higher highs and you had lower highs, right? Higher highs and lower highs. You got some bearish divergence. You got a pullback because of it, ultimately, right? But swing high to swing low to swing high. It's really not much there. There's really not much there. Kind of too early to tell on this thing. You've got a nice pullback on the. Let's actually check the 4 hour. Let's see what you're looking at. So you're oversold in the 4 hour. I mean, you're getting some momentum here. You're getting some momentum. I mean, let's just see if it can break. I mean, ultimately, let's see. You can get some back from these fib levels. Get back to 618. Obviously, you're looking pretty juicy, but yeah, the 4 hour was oversold. The hourly was oversold. And you get a nice reversal to the upside. Hourly's getting a little bit overheated, so you might have to cool that down before you really start moving again at some point, but I will personally bring the SHIB earring for you in Vegas. The SHIB earring. Please don't make me wear the SHIB earring, guys. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I definitely don't want to do it. If we get 200,000 likes, you will do TA on Safe Moon. It's going to take me a lot. All right, here comes Bitcoin to the downside. Let's see if Bitcoin breaks this like little, yes. I mean, it's only 2 touches, but let's see if it comes back down and it breaks this fake wedgie. Whoa! I almost took a tumble, guys. I almost just took a tumble. Just ignore me. Ignore me there. I almost just fell. But what can you do? I mean, we always fall, right? We always fall. Let's see. Sand. Let's check out sand. Our sand. Let's hop in the sandbox. Oh no, here comes Java. Let's hop in the sandbox. The sandbox! Yeah! I want to play in the sandbox. Is Melissa going to be there? Is Melissa going to be in the sandbox? I want to play in the sand with Melissa. Jordan, is Melissa going to be there? Java, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think she wants to talk to you anymore, man. She literally told you to never go near her again. Ever again. So I don't think that's going to happen. What do you mean? What do you... All right, he's really mad. All right, so Sandbox on the daily. Let's check out Sandbox on the daily. I mean, we know Sandbox has been going absolutely nuts in the daily, right? Absolutely nuts. The 4 hour, man, tearing up. The 4 hour, if we look, had a nice retrace to the 786, pulled back a little bit, just fine. Let's actually check where we pulled back to on this. So let's go swing low to swing high here. So this got us back up to this got us back up to right down to the 0.5 fib. So will this be a reversal point? Will this be the reversal point for sand for it to continue up? Now, you could come back down to the 618, the golden pocket zone in theory. Could go back down to like 659 if you really wanted to, but you're trying to hold this as support. I think this will hold a support as long as Bitcoin holds up. But what have we seen? We've seen like Bitcoin and these metaverse projects kind of being like inversely correlated almost, where whenever Bitcoin sort of struggles, I mean, these things kind of struggle too, or these things go up, right? Right now, it's not too much going on here on the 4-hour time frame. The hourly, we take this swing down and we would take this down as well. I mean, the hourly, sort of just like a big bull flag almost, right? A big bull flag. If you actually take it like this and you bring this up, it would give you a breakout target to like 846, which, you know, in theory, okay, would put you right at the previous high from November 25th. In theory, right? In theory, as we like to say. So that matches up pretty perfectly. Matches up pretty perfectly. Let's see if this breaks out. You could in theory come back down to test the golden pocket again. You know, it could come back down to 659. You know, sort of have another double bottom here as well, and continue up. We've seen that from many different alts. But let's see if that breaks first. Let's see if this resistance can break first. If it does, boom, you're probably making your way back up to the highs. You know, do it. Chili's. Let's see what Chili's is doing. Chili's. Oh man, Chili's. All right. Every time I think of Chili's, I want to eat some chili. I want to eat some chili. Guys, if you had to rate chili, just in general, not like, all right, your favorite chili or your worst chili, just chili in general. If you had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, what would be your scale for chili? I personally think any chili, it depends. Actually, it really depends. Some chili is really good, and then some is just like, I like the big chunky chili, right? The real meaty chili. That's what she said. But yeah, I mean, I love the meaty chili. I love it. So yeah, I mean, at the moment, I mean, Chili's, I should say, hasn't really moved just yet. I mean, it's kind of just trying to flip this relative resistance as new support. Hasn't really gotten the juice just yet. Doesn't mean it can't get the juice. It's really just ranging sideways. This is another one that's just kind of ranging sideways, in theory, right? It's really not doing too much, right? Downtrend of resistance. A downtrend of resistance there too, but for the most part, you're just raging sideways. You're up, down, up, down, up. Now you're making lower highs, but how long is that going to last for, right? Let's see where and when this breaks out. But you know, in theory, you're gonna hope that this downtrend of resistance eventually breaks out. If this bottom falls out from under you, just gonna look at where this potentially moved to. Probably would come back down to like 38.1 cents if that bottom fell out. Which right now you don't really know. Don't really know right now. You could have a little bit of a whoop-de-whoop-de-doo head and shoulders pattern there as well. And if this was to break to the downside, that would put you somewhere around, theory, 30 cents if that did break to the downside. So keep that in mind. But you obviously got to come all the way back down here, break that resistance, and then dump. Okay, it's a little bit too early to tell from there. All right, Bitcoin's still just chilling in its little 30-hour wedge. Let's see if it holds this support here, where it's came back down to once, twice, and actually 3 times and held. Let's see if it holds again. Let's see. The 15-minute is getting close to oversold, by the way. Pretty close. Not there yet, but it's pretty freaking close. Man. Oh, man. Everyone's asking for Matic. We'll do Matic in a second. We'll do Matic in a second. We had Daniel who said CSPR. Let's do CSPR. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll do it real quick. Let's see what CSPR. So this thing's just going up on the daily. You're hitting some daily resistance at this previous high looking left. So that makes some sense, right? You're getting a little bit of struggle there. A little bit of struggle, as we would say. I like the general structure of this. I mean, it's just a bunch of higher lows with same resistance on the top side. I mean, the question is, does it come down again to test the bottom and then move up, right? But you got to love the structure of this. You're just getting consistent higher lows while making same resistance to the top side. I mean, it's a classic ascending triangle right below previous support. I mean, if this does break, in theory, would put you upwards of 40 cents if that did break, but got to break that resistance first. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour has plenty of room to run. Hourly has plenty of room to run. After a little bit pullback on the hourly time frame, but that has plenty of room to run too. Right off the hourly EMA ribbon, I like it, I like it, I like it. And the 4 hour. 4 hour, you're a little bit overextended from the 4 hour, so I don't know if you flag this out, maybe. Let the 4 hour EMA ribbon catch up to you and then move up. But I mean, this is looking fine for a continuation up. 1.2 likes, JC. Thank you, Crypto Pump It, for the shout out. 1.2 likes. Let's friggin' get it, boys.
Strap
hit up that like
We're
button.
going to the moon.
I don't know if we can hit 1.9 again. That's a very, very steep goal. But we aim high here. We aim high and proud. And I think we can do it. Hit up that like button if you haven't already. It really helps the stream. Appreciate it, guys. I know a ton of you guys have already hit it already. So, you know, it is what it is. Storm X for Roberto. Let's do Storm X. Bitcoin and ETH are kind of just chilling right now, guys. Kind of just chilling like villains. Not so much villains. I would say more like... I would say they're not really chilling like villains. I say they probably just chilling more like crabs, as we would say. We haven't seen crab in a while. What's going on, guys? I missed you guys. We've been dumping lately, so I haven't seen too much of the crab action lately. But I wouldn't say it's not too much of a crab. I think it's a little bit of exaggeration, but we definitely are chilling. No, but Storm X. If you look at this, you got higher lows, lower highs, right? So you're gonna assume that eventually you break this to the upside. Well, yeah, you're gonna assume it breaks to the upside, but you're gonna hope it breaks to the upside. This thing's been consolidating since September, just up, down, up, down, up, down. You're getting tight. You should see a breakout, you know, in theory by December 13th or so. Get a little bit. Probably get a little bit more waiting to do. Because you're kind of sitting right in the middle of it right now. But check out the 4 hour. Anything really cooking on the 4 hour? Not really. Got back above your 4 hour EMA ribbon. Let's see if you can flip that as support. And see it was your resistance. You got back over it. Let's see if you can flip that as support and get some momentum back up. And the daily EMA ribbon, you're sitting right under it. But that, I mean, it's been kind of useless for this. I mean, look at this. Dump below it, above it. Below it, above it, below it, above it, below it, above it, below it. I just start saying below it for some reason. But yeah, I mean, you're still just sitting right below that daily EMA ribbon. So let's see what happens. But ultimately, Storm X is, like we said, is kind of just chilling. Hyra said Matic. Let's check out Matic. Shall we? Matic Network. What's going on? So Matic had a pretty decent day yesterday. As we would say up here in Boston. Yesterday. Up here in Worcester. Yesterday. In Dorchester. So Matic. You can see bottom top. It's going down. I mean, you're kind of just hoping right now that you can break this downtrend of resistance again, right? You get 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. Can you break this downtrend of resistance? Well, find out. Back above the daily. Check the 4-hour EMA ribbon. Yeah, you're good on those. So you're good up. You're above your EMAs. It's just a matter of, really just a matter of time before you try to break this to the upside. Yeah, you're sitting right below the 0.5 fib. And you can see you have resistance on every one. You have the 786, you have the 0.618, you have the 0.5. Every single one is giving you some resistance. So, yeah, I mean, you just got to break these. You got to break these ultimately at the moment. No bearish div on any of the time frames, I don't believe. Yeah, no bearish div. So I'm not seeing anything that's like, you got to stay down here. You got to stay down. Mostly, we got to see Daddy Bitcoin move the way back up, right? Michael said, what does ETH dominance have in store for us in the future? ETH dominance. We haven't looked at ETH dominance in a hot minute. ETH dominance is, let's check out ETH dominance real quick. ETH dominance. Dominance, if I could spell it correctly. Holy crap, man. ETH dominance. Okay, this is not, it's not ETH dominance. This is ETH. I was like, this is not ETH dominance, bro. What is this? What is this? Right? Even BitBoy was like, ETH dominance? This is not ETH dominance. TJ, can you fix this? TJ, can you fix this? This is the... Oh, crap, we're going live. We're going live. All right, welcome to the best channel in the interwebs. TJ, it's still on the wrong chart. It's still on the wrong chart. Can you bring up ETH dominance? No, bring up ETH dominance. Bring up ETH dominance. Bring it up. What the heck is ETH dominance, bro? Oh, man, there it is. All right. No, ETH dominance is crushing right now. We look at the daily. Look at ETH. My baby right now. Absolutely mooning on ETH dominance. Look at that. Look at that, bro. ETH dominance. Oh, ETH dominance. This could get juicy. This could get real juicy. Oh, yeah. This could get juicy. Juicy, as I would say. You gotta see what the rest of the week holds, but if we can break... We've broken every one of these highs except this one right here. If we can break that one, like 20.76 on the ETH dominance, ETH could be ready to rock it. It could be ready to rock it. Because, I mean, there's not much here. I mean, it's... You're going to 26% dominance. I mean, there's not much there. So let's see if you can break 20.76. And you're making your way up there right now, right? You're making your way downtown right now. It could get juicy for ETH if that breaks. Oh, boy. I don't want to shill my favorite coin on your chan, but if I send it, can you check out the chart? D-Lunk, can you if you send it, can I check out the chart? Yeah, man. I'll look at whatever it is. I mean, as long as it's not some meme coin that's, you know, kind of useless to look at. Absolutely, man. We'll look at whatever. Absolutely. Michael with the super chat. Thank you, Mike. And then thoughts is IoTex. Let's do IoTex real quick for Mike. And then we will be able to chill for a sec. At least for a second while we wait for hopefully Bitcoin and ETH to sort of wake up and do something, as we would say, right? Do something. Get your sticks out. It's pretty wrong to say, too. Get your sticks out. It's not how I mean it, guys, okay? Let's see. On little IoTex. I mean, it's still this downwards channel. It's a big downwards channel, as we would call it. Yeah. Yeah, it's ultimately where you're coming down to right now is this downwards channel for IoTex. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you're coming back up. Do you have enough juice to get back to the top? Do you have enough juice to get back to the top? That is the question here. That is the ultimate question. With divergence there, but The daily looks good. The daily looks good for reversal back up. There's not much there on the daily. You just got to get back above this previous low right here at about 16.7. You get back above that, yeah, I mean, you have a good shot of, probably have a good shot of a reversal to the upside. But you're kind of sitting right below that right now, right? Previous low. Sitting right below that. You got the juice on the, got the juice there on the 4 hour. Got to get back over the 4 hour EMA ribbon as well. The hourly showing a little bit of bearish div. A little bit of bearish div. We got higher highs and lower highs here. But, I mean, is the move done, right? I mean, this could easily just keep pumping. But right now, you have bearish divergence. Right now, as we speak. So keep that in mind on the hourly. Maybe you get some type of reversal. You know, some type of pullback real quick, and then you continue back up. Certainly could be a possibility. So keep that in mind. Well, I think a lot of these coins right now are sort of chilling because Bitcoin's kind of coming back down a little bit. But if Bitcoin can bounce back up, you're probably going to see a lot of these altcoins move back to the upside, you know? All right, D-Lunk wants Realm. Appreciate that D-Lunk. That's really generous of you, man. Appreciate that a lot, dude. D-Lunk. D-Lunk. Let's see, Realm. Realm's not on TradingView, my man, but I can look at it real quick on here for you. Do my best on here. Realm. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this basically just looks at you're at your resistance. I mean, 1 resistance, 2 resistance. This is probably a wick, I'm gonna assume. I mean, you probably got just 3 resistance levels right here, and you're right at that level again. So, I mean, if you can break that, I assume that. Yeah, I mean, that's really all you got. That's all you got. If you break that, you're off to the races in price discovery. Fortunately, I can't do a fib on here, but yeah, I mean, that thing's looking good to get into price discovery as long as Bitcoin can continue up here. All right, ETH's coming back up here.
Strap up, we're going. Strap up, strap up, strap up. We're going to the moon.
ETH's coming back up here. DJ Jordan.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
Link. Oh. Michael Saldivar. I thought it said Michael Salvador. I was like, that's going to be the best name ever. You have Michael Saylor's first name, and then Salvador is your last name. That would have been great, man. Unfortunately, it's Salvador, you know? But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, here comes ETH. 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 We love ETH. I love ETH. I don't know if you guys love ETH. You guys are probably sick of ETH at this point. I assume most of you own ETH. I gotta assume most of you own ETH. Either for gas fee reasons or because you guys own ETH. All right, there we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hit up that like button for ETH pumping right now, guys. Hit up that like button for ETH pumping back close to $4,500. Can we break 4,500? Bot boy. Bot boy. Who's bot boy? Who's bot boy? ETH to the moon. Jesse doesn't own ETH. Tim doesn't own ETH. Wow. Marshall said, "Hey Jordan, hope you're doing good." I am doing great, Marshall. I am doing great. I got a bunch of positive vibes in my life. I can't complain about anything in my life, bro. You know? I've always said this. If you got small little problems in your life, bro, there's so many people with worse problems. Why the heck are you stressing yourself out about the smallest little things that really have they really have nothing to do with anything in life? Why are you stressing out about that? It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. There's people that are out there with terrible problems, okay? So there's no reason why you should not have positive vibes at all times. There's no reason why your vibe shouldn't be positive at all times. There's no reason at all. Absolutely no reason. 44.88. And especially when ETH is pumping, how could you not be great, man? How could you not be great? That's what I'll say. BTC holding ETH back. Facts, man. BTC is holding ETH back right now. BTC. All right, we all agreed that Bitcoin's a guy, right? So you know what, BTC? Actually, you need a big hit, BTC, right now. You know what, BTC? You want to mess with me, bro? You want to mess with me, bro? You're not going to let ETH pump? All right. Well, you know what? I'm Jordan's bodyguard, which means I'm also Jordan's wife's bodyguard, baby. All right. He just got pissed at Bitcoin. He just got pissed at Bitcoin. So, all right. Bitcoin's going to go back up now because he just got beaten up. Hopefully, ETH can go up here, which is great. Bitcoin's a Karen. Road rage. Should I convert my Bitcoin to ETH? It's up to you, man. I love Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH are like 1A, 1B in my portfolio. They always switch off depending on which one's doing better. ETH is above Bitcoin right now in my portfolio just because ETH is outpacing Bitcoin at the moment. But when Bitcoin outpaces ETH, it switches. They're so close. I try to keep them close for that reason. 44.95. Here we go, boys. Holy crap, 4,500. Here we go. 4,500. Bitcoin's chilling and ETH is pumping, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Michael, I got you on OXT. Hira, I got you on Atom. And Steven, I got you on ADA. I got you on ADA in just a second, man. Let me just make sure I know where ETH is going. And I got you. Don't worry, I'm not going to forget about you guys. Ian Marshall, I got you on XYIO. XYO, I got you. All right. Real quick, guys. I know ETH is pumping. Let's go check out the gram real quick. Oh! Holy crap. I was not expecting us to hit that, bro. Holy crap. I was not expecting that at all. All right. I gotta do two $50 giveaways. Holy crap, man. That thing just went absolutely nuts. But yeah. Wow. That's absolutely insane. All right, well, I'll mention it one more time. If you guys want to follow me on IG, like this picture right here, right? This picture right here, and you guys will be entered. I'm going to do two $50 giveaways, right? Two $50 giveaways for two people that like this photo right here and are also followers to me. And if you guys are going to unfollow right after, I wouldn't. I'm probably going to be doing this at least once a week going forward. Just to give back to you guys, and also I want to grow my Instagram and my Twitter, so make sure you guys stay followed because I'll be doing this probably at least once a week for Twitter and Instagram to get those platforms kicking and screaming quickly. So make sure you guys don't unfollow after we do the giveaway. Might as well stay followed because I'm going to be doing it once a week. So that's that. We'll be doing that in a little bit. I'll give you guys a little bit more time to do that, and we'll go back to that in a little bit. We'll give it a few more minutes. So yeah, ETH is at 4,500 now. All right, 4503. Look at ETH, baby. Let's go, man. 4505. Let's go. Holy crap, man. 4505. We're looking good. We're looking good. We are looking juicy right now, man. If I win, can you donate to the... yeah, I can do that, Waterfly. I can do that. I can definitely do that, man. Social is bullish. Then Bitcoin's sort of just chilling while ETH is kind of doing its thing here. Abby. All right, ETH's coming back down. Let me real quick, before ETH goes again, let me do some of these real quick. Let me do OXT from Michael Saldivar that I keep thinking it's Michael Saylor, but it's not. If Michael Saylor was in my chat, I'd probably pass out. You guys would probably see me go. Just fall on the ground. OXT. Let's see. There's got to be someone. Guys, if there's anyone cool out there watching my stream right now, there's got to be someone watching my stream right now that, like, I would never expect. There's got to be some other crypto tuber. There's got to be someone famous watching the stream. There's got to be at least one. If you're in here right now, comment in the chat. Okay? Show yourself. Show yourself. Okay? I want to see you in the chat right now. If you're in here. I'll even give you a shout out if you're in here right now. If you're watching right now. Show yourself. I know there's at least one. Right? And not George and Ben. I know George and Ben watch my stream sometimes. Not you guys. Anyone else besides you two. There's got to be someone else in here. All right. What else do we got? What else do we got? Speak up, Ben. All right. What is... It's me. I am famous. I'm pretty cool. Satoshi's in here? Yeah, Satoshi counter trades my stream. I mean, that's kind of the way it goes. All right, OXT. I mean, OXT is just... OXT. Wow, there's no one in here, man. There's no one in here. I'll never know. They're just gonna be sort of anonymous, I guess. Savvy probably watches this stream, yeah. No, but did we look at OXT earlier? I feel like we did. We did actually. Yeah, I think earlier we just said this previous high is flipping into support here. Ultimately, we just need to get the juice on OXT, right? I mean, there's not really too much to say about this. We just need to get the juice off this support level. Right now, you're trying to get that juice. But the juice just hasn't came in yet, as we would like to say. It's not looking too juicy. Downtrend of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Downtrend of resistance is sort of keeping us down at the moment, but you got to assume that this eventually will do its thing. Eventually, right? You got to assume. You just got to assume. Downtrend, basically a big channel. But you're right there. If this can break, OXT is gonna say sayonara, suckers. Sayonara, suckers, and you're gonna have a pretty good move to the upside. Obviously, we'll look at the targets when and if they do happen, but you ultimately just want to break that downtrend of resistance. Let's see. ETH sitting at 45.03. Can we look at Atom set here? I got you on Atom. Why not? Atom's a very, very popular crypto. Just for you to say crypto. Who is it that always says, I don't like the word currency? There's another crypto tuber that's like, I don't like saying currency or coin because they're not coins or currencies, right? A lot of them aren't coins or currencies. They serve some type of function, right? Someone says that. Was that BitBoy? I think that's BitBoy. Pretty sure that's BitBoy who says that. Which I kind of agree. It's not. They're not. Most of these aren't coins. I guess it's better to just call them cryptos. Atom. What are we looking at for Atom? H-bar. Can you check crypto? I can check crypto. Atom looks like a falling wedge. Just another classic falling wedge with lower lows, lower highs. But, you're looking like another wedge that we always have. You have bullish divergence on the 4-hour, which is playing out nicely. We had lower lows, and you had higher lows. On the daily. That could give you the juice to continue higher. You need Bitcoin to cooperate, obviously. You need Captain Bitcoin to cooperate, but if Captain Bitcoin can cooperate, you might be looking pretty juicy, as we would say. Might be looking pretty juicy. But that's Adam. Marshall said, can we look at XYO? XYO. XY. Why isn't it XYZ? XY. Is there an XYZ? I don't think there's an XY. Is there an XYZ coin, guys? I don't think there is. I honestly don't think there is. Let's just look at this on the daily, shall we? The daily. The dolly. So uptrend of support, downtrend of resistance, right? I mean, it's not too shabby at the moment, right? Downtrend of resistance, uptrend of support. So let's see what goes down here. But ultimately, you're going to expect this to break out relatively soon. Relatively soon. You're back above your 4-hour EMA. Let's see if you can confirm that as support. You're coming back to it right now, right? You broke out, back tested. Now let's see if you can get that juice back to the upside here. All right, it's all about the juice, as we like to say. And the daily EMA ribbon's giving you nice support too, right? The daily EMA ribbon's right at the bottom of this. So your hope here is this just was you overextended, you back tested it, now you're just kind of consolidating above it, and then you got the juice to eventually push you back up higher. That's the hope for XYO. Now, obviously, if you break down, I think the most logical area to watch would be this previous wick at like 4.3 cents, but that would be the most obvious area to watch, if you did break down. But let's see where you break out. I mean, a lot of these are in bigger consolidation patterns, right? Polygon getting ready to let loose. It is getting ready to let loose, It is. All right, let's do ADA. Let's do ADA real quick, and then we'll pick two people on the IG. I'm gonna do my best to do it randomly. I'm just gonna kind of go up. I'm gonna kind of go up and down and try to randomly pick someone the best of my ability. Polygons getting ready to let the juice loose, as they would say. I don't know if I like that term. A little inappropriate. A little inappropriate, but it's okay. We're usually kind of inappropriate here. Daily was oversold, so I like this as a potential bottom area. Last time this happened was right here. You can see what happened after that for Cardano, right? I mean, it's Cardano, right? Keep in mind it's Cardano, but this back tested a big area here, where you have a bunch of previous peaks looking left. If there's any point of an area for this to reverse, this would be it, okay? Back tested all these previous resistance points. You were oversold in the daily. Last time that happened was right here, and you can see what happened after that. And it's right at the bottom of this channel, right? So the hope is that this is going to be the reversal point for Cardano. If it is, right, I mean, this could just be a giant bull flag, which, we got to wait to see what happens. But this could be a giant bull flag that brings you up to like $4. Not going to say it's guaranteed to happen or anything, but that's the hope, right? That's the hope here. If this level breaks, it could get a little dicey. But we'll talk about that when that happens, right? A lot can change, right? A lot can change. Bitcoin's dumping. Polygon's getting ready to let the juice loose. Yeah, it's getting there. Matic ultimately just has to break this downtrend of resistance. I mean, this is what we're watching here. This downtrend of resistance for Matic. 1, 2, 3 touches. You got a little bit of ways to go. You probably have to break somewhere around 193 to get it back above that, but that's what we're waiting for Matic. All right, let's do IG. Let's do the IG picks, okay? 2152. All right, I'll give you guys 10 more seconds, all right? And then we're going to pick two people. Two people, because we hit 2100. Follow me at Jordan N. Camerand. Like this first picture. 1,000 likes, holy crap. Like this first picture. And then we will pick two people for two $50 giveaways. Make sure you guys stay followed, because I'll be doing this once a week. You might as well stay followed at this point, okay? You might as well do it. All right. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's pick two. Let's click on this. Oh, look at me, man. Look at me. I'm looking good. All right. How are we going to do this? Let's load everyone up. Let's load the whole thing up. All right. Look at That's crazy, man. This is what a friggin' celebrity has to do, man. Celebrity has to go through all these. Imagine that every single picture. This is like this is what your likes look like. Holy crap, that's true. All right, let's pick two. Let's pick two. All right, I'm gonna pick randomly, guys. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna go up and down. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Queen of Swag. Queen of Swag. You are one of them, man. Queen of Swag. Send me a DM on IG. You got the first one. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do right here. Brander Jogofson. You're number 2, man. Send me 2 DMs, man. Send me 2 DMs on IG. And I will get you guys that at some point. Anyway, and if I don't hear from you two, okay, I'll pick 2 more people tomorrow. If I don't hear from you two, okay, that's the deal. That's all that's sorted. Slide into the homies DMs, man. I got you guys. I got you. You're looking. Celeb use bots. Yeah, I didn't have time. I didn't have time to use the little bot maker. Okay. That's me. Yeah. Don't be making any fake accounts, guys. Making the fake accounts to get it. Didn't see that pick? Rigged? Jordan's DM's about to be crazy. Yeah, Bitcoin's breaking down right now. So 57,407. Let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens here. Watch fake account start send DMs. So Bitcoin's dropping. What's ETH doing? Wow, ETH with a big wick there. I guess this bearish divergence might be playing out. Maybe. Too early to tell. We still got a long 4 hour to go, man. A lot of 4 hour price action to go. To really say too much, you know? Shane, don't make me feel bad, man. Shane said I really wanted that money so I could eat tonight. Oh, God. That makes me feel bad, man. Man. I need to eat. Oh, you guys want the Discord link? I got you on the Discord link. I don't know why the Discord link keeps... I have no idea why the Discord link keeps getting expired. But, you know, here we go. Boom. Boom. There we go. There's the Discord link. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin on the log chart, backtesting perfect, that support on the log chart. Backtesting the support. Yeah. If we're talking about the daily, yeah, backtesting that support perfectly on the daily. Bada bing, bada boom. 57,339 for BTC. We're coming back down. This is the 15-minute, so it's not. It looks worse than it actually is, guys. This is the 15-minute chart. Keep that in mind. It's not that bad. It looks bad. It's really not. We've been in worse positions before. 15 minutes get a little bit oversold. Let's see if maybe this actually turns into some type of channel. You know, some type of little channel. If this does hold. That could just be some hopium, right? Could just be some hopium, but maybe this turns into some type of channel. This could end up being a bull flag, maybe. A little bit of hopium. Let's just see where that would put us in theory. 59.7. In theory. Let's see if that plays out. If this can bounce here, maybe it plays out. See where we're at. Yeah, we broke the 7. We're right at the 786 fib. The 786 fib breaks, we're probably coming back down to test this support again at like 56.9, if that doesn't hold. So let's see if the 786 fib holds there on previous swing low to previous swing high. You can see we broke the golden pocket, which was like boop, right down to the 786. If this breaks, boop, we're probably coming back down. Well, let's see if it breaks on a close. I was going to use the $50 to try my luck on a new coin. You guys are killing me in the chat, bro. My grandma needs a kidney. Oh, man. Let's see. I know why, boss. Guess he's not eating tonight. I need to eat. I shorted. He said my grandma needs a kidney. 57, 269. Meme coins are pumping. Sell. Meme coins are pumping. I don't see Shiba pumping. Shiba's down 3% right now. I don't see meme coins pumping right now. I don't see it. I don't see anything pumping right now. XRP is actually going up a little bit. XRP is actually, out of all coins, actually XRP is going up a little bit here. Out of all coins. I didn't say coins. I should say crypto. Out of all cryptos, I should say. We cannot classify them as coins. Okay? This chat needs more trolls. Yeah, what happened to all the trolls, man? All our trolls are gone. Where's Dale? Where's, there's a lot of trolls, man. Where's Dale? Where's Sergio? Where's all the trolls when you need them? Nowhere to be found. We used to have so many trolls in this channel, man. All the trolls got destroyed in July when Bitcoin pumped. All the trolls got destroyed. ETH dump into 4K one more time? I don't see it. Only if Bitcoin gets rejected here and moves back down to the bottom of the wedge. If Bitcoin comes back down to the bottom of the wedge, yeah, ETH probably goes back down to 4K. But let's find out. Where's Dale and Sergio? I scared them away. I'll start trolling. No, we don't need any trolls. I was sort of kidding. We don't need any trolls, guys. We don't need any trolls. There's enough trolls. The trolls come out when Bitcoin's dropping, which it's trying to drop right now. It's trying to drop. All right, there goes that plan. All right, so our 15-minute plan is gone. Bitcoin's breaking that. Let's see. We make our way back down to 56.9. Let's see. Man, I'm tired. I am tired. I've been getting up earlier lately. I've been going to the gym in the morning, bro. Oh, man, it's tough. I've been going to the gym. What time do I go? Have I gone to the gym? Way earlier than I used to. I've been going to the gym at 6:30, which is earlier than I used to go to the gym at 6:30 every day. But I haven't in a while, so it's taken me a while to get used to it. I'm getting there though. But I've also been passing out at like 10 o'clock lately, where there was a while that I was up to like midnight or 1 o'clock every night. And now I've been going to bed at like 10 because I just pass out. 57.2. All right, BTC. All right, BTC. ETH. Alts holding well considering Bitcoin drop. Holding pretty well right now. Alts are actually holding better than Bitcoin at the moment. Most of them are. ETH, ADA, Link, DOT, BNB, Matic, Sol, Doge, XRP, ETC, VeChain, Theta. Actually, not VeChain and Theta, but the other ones are all down less. You know? Where's the gains at? You look pretty goof with those guns, honestly. Want to show them guns? No. I only like to show the finished product, man. The finished product. Dude, I told you guys, I was looking really good for a while. And then I had to stop going to the gym for a few months, which like screwed me up, bro. It screwed me up. And now I've been going for a couple weeks again. Trying to get back on track. But, man. It sucks when you like get a routine down, then you can't go anymore because of like an injury. Friggin' sucks, man. Friggin' sucks. But we're getting back there. We're getting back there. 57, 148. We're getting there. Jack dumping his pension on us. Hopefully he buys it with his pension, you know? I can't imagine how big that pension would be. Imagine? All right, guys, should we do it? Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. Right in the trash, bro. There it goes, right in the trash. Boom. And yes, guys, if you guys are new to the stream, you guys coming in now, this is a trash can. Okay, this is not what you think it is. Okay, that's why I labeled it trash. Okay, just so everyone's aware, it's a trash can. Trash is labeled on it. Okay, don't be thinking anything like that. There's no volume right now. There's absolutely no volume. Absolutely no volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. Oh, there's no volume. I told you this Bitcoin dump was a fake out. There's no volume on the pop. We're going back down to 30K. Tomorrow, invest in stocks, not Bitcoin. Oh, man. I saw some funny thing. I got sent something funny on yesterday. I forget who it was. It was some older gentleman. He said, don't invest in crypto. Don't invest in stock. He said, invest in like something that has like terrible yield. I'm like, bro, have you... It's like these people don't even look at what's happened over the last 10 years. Like anyone that says don't invest in crypto at this, like anyone that says don't have a percentage of your portfolio in crypto, right, is literally losing people money. You look at the returns in crypto over the last 10 years versus any other asset class, it's absolutely laughable. I don't understand the logic, what these people still have. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. It makes absolutely no sense. I can't believe that they would even give that advice anymore. Anyone that says don't invest in crypto, I don't take their advice seriously anymore. And I think that just, they're trying to play it safe, you know, which I can't take it seriously. I can't take it seriously. Like your hair? Yes. Like my hair. Like you hair. Literally. Invest in Bob. Don't invest in crypto. Invest in miniature ships inside of glass bottles. Facts. Everyone's saying literally. How many times did I just say literally? I probably didn't even notice. I probably said it like 10 times. How many times did I say it, guys? What do you say to invest in? I can't remember what he said. I can't remember what he said to invest in. But it was nothing that I would. At least fully. All right, is Bitcoin trying to bounce back up here? That is the question. That is thy question. We have some 1 hour bullish div here. Some 1 hour bullish divergence. If we can hold this level. You guys can see we got lower lows and we got higher lows coming in. So we got classic bullish divergence with the stock RSI also being bottomed out. Can this be a point where Bitcoin, with a nice little correction on the hourly time frame, gets a nice little reversal back to the upside? I think this could be a nice reversal point back to the upside. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I'm talking like Forrest Gump. Sometimes I get in weird moods, man. You guys are used to it by now. Wes said SHIB cracking on Tuesday. Oh no, SHIB's going on Kraken. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. What's SHIB doing? SHIB is just being SHIB. SHIB is a piece of SHIB. I'm just kidding. We all know that SHIB will probably bounce back up at some point. But for now, I'm just gonna say SHIB is a piece of SHIB. Just because I think it's funny to say. SHIB is an absolute piece of SHIB. Crypto Jeb. Jenny. My wife does a southern accent like that. Turns me on like, oh God. I don't want to know that. Yours kind of does too. I love southern accents. Any girl, I need to find a girl with a southern accent. Any girl with a southern accent, guys, adds at least 2 points. I need to find one. Any accent, really. Any accent, really, dude. But, you know, a nice southern accent, a southern United States accent. Oh. Oh. Man. And no, I'm not being a simp, okay? I'm not being a damn simp. I'm just saying what I like, okay? I'm just saying what I like. Darren said, will you check out AMP? Absolutely. We'll absolutely check out AMP. No, I'm not being a simp. Absolutely not. Okay? Man. What is this, man? Give me a good AMP chart. AMP is the ultimate stablecoin. I'm sorry. AMP is the ultimate stablecoin.
That's an ethereum stablecoin. That's an ethereum stablecoin. That's an ethereum stablecoin.
That's that. All right. But dude, you know, you got this coming up. You got the support line coming up, and downtrend to resistance. I mean, AMP is just the ultimate stablecoin, bro. It really is. It really is. And I kind of said the other day it was due for a breakout. It got it. It got it. It just hasn't really gotten the juice back up. But I don't mind the structure. I mean, besides this one high here, it kind of just gotten same resistance on the top side and higher lows. So, I mean, I got to assume that this has an explosive move at some point. And I will continue to say, I think AMP at some point is going to have an explosive move to the upside. It's just a matter of when, right? It's just a matter of freaking when. I'm not going to try to predict when because this thing just continues to be a stable coin, but I got to assume with the higher lows coming in, same resistance on the top side besides this one big move to the upside here, I got to assume this moves up here at some point. You got to assume. I don't know when, but you got to assume. Make a wedge. A wedgie formation? I don't see no wedge. I don't see no wedge. What's up with the guys and the word simp these days? We're not gonna go into this. Ashley, you're gonna lead me down a very dark, not a dark road, but probably a road we don't want to go down here on this channel. Okay, we're gonna go down a very, very dark road, Ashley. Listen, there's nothing wrong with being a nice guy, okay? But there's a line you gotta draw, okay? There's a line you gotta draw, okay? There's being nice, and then there's being a pushover, okay? You can't be, you gotta, there's a line you gotta draw here, okay? I'll keep it in a summarized thing, okay? Have you looked at Crow yet? Let's check out Crow. Let's check out Crow. Simp, more like a limp. More like a limp. More like a limp. More like a limp. What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. What is a simp? You gotta be an arse. I don't know if you gotta be. Here's the thing. Like, a lot of people think you gotta be an a-hole. I don't necessarily agree with that. You know, I'm still like I'll still be nice to chicks, but you can't let them you can't let them treat you like crap, and you can't let you be a pushover. You know what I mean? You can't let it happen. It just won't work that way. But yeah, I mean, a low, a high, a low, a high. Are you gonna come back down and test the bottom now? Are you gonna come down and test the bottom? That is the question here. Man, you'd probably be at some type of big support right now. Let's actually go look. You got to assume that you're at some type of support. Yeah, I mean, a low, a low, a low, and now you're about to break that, maybe break that low again, right? So if that breaks, is there a shot of you coming back down to test the bottom here? Certainly could be, and this could be some type of descending triangle, which is typically bearish on Crow, but we know Crow likes to do what Crow wants to do. At least it was doing what Crow wants to do. Let's watch what Bitcoin does. Might be kind of correlated with Bitcoin, but let's go back to the daily real quick. It's not too much on the daily. So, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If this level breaks here in the 4 hour, you're probably coming back down to test 65 cents. Ultimately for Chrome. What's up, Mamad? Hope you're doing good, man. Wedgie inside a wedgie. That line keeps you from seeing your ex. Yeah, man. You gotta draw a line, bro. You gotta draw a line. You can't. I like being nice, bro, but you can't be a pushover, man. You can't. You can't do it. Simplifications. You guys got me going down a dark hole now. A dark, dark hole. I said I wasn't gonna go down, you know? But someone had to say it. How did this even come up? I forget how this even came up, man. I forget how this even came up at this point. 45.58 for ETH. So ETH, how hard did ETH go? ETH got as high as like 45.07. So, I mean, it's one of those things. It's like, dude, someone did call very, very nicely that you did have bearish divergence on the MACD. It's still too early to tell. I mean, there's still so much time and space to see what's going down here on the 4 hour, but let's see. Dark hole. Oh, man. Java likes RFox. Maybe he does like RFox. Here comes Bitcoin, 100x flex. 100x flex, said Dan. Yeah, we're trying to get the 100x flex on Bitcoin. RFox. You guys are cracking me up in the chat, man. You guys gotta chill with the dark. Now we're just talking about dark holes. Like, I don't know where this go. This. Sometimes we just go down rabbit holes. Yeah, but 44.71. Here you guys gonna say. Now you're gonna say Jordan wants to go down a rabbit hole. You're gonna have Bob come out now, and this is gonna get dirtier and dirtier, man. Jordan said he wants to go down a rabbit hole. He wants to go down a rabbit hole. What a weirdo. He wants to go down a rabbit's hole. Let me you guys in the chat. All right, 44.73. Chocolate starfish. Ethereum tsunami coming? Dude, the Ethereum tsunami has already been here, bro. The Ethereum dominance is going down, bro. Here comes the volume. Oh, jeez. Java is in the dark hole. What are you guys even talking about? All right. Jordan for crypto president. All right, where are we at with likes, guys? I gotta check. 1,400, dude. That's still nuts. Like, considering there's not that many people in here right now. Like, considering how we were yesterday, and how many people were in here during the stream. Let's see. Activity. Here we go. We had like 1,700 people in here today. Not too bad, considering, you know, Bitcoin wasn't really doing too much today. That's not too shabby. That is not too shabby at all. Appreciate the support again, guys. That's absolutely crazy. If we get it, I'll be happy with 1,500. If we get 1,500 likes today, I'll be very, very happy with that. So thank you guys again for the support. I mean, that's absolutely insane. That's absolutely insane. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. All right. Anything else really going on right now? Roman said we check Atari. We can absolutely check Atari, man. Atari token. Ah, damn, Atari's not on here. Let's go check it out on CoinMarketCap real quick. Atari. Let's see what's going down in Goblin Town. Man. Not too much is going on lately on this. Obviously, April was nuts on this thing. And then, yeah, lately you've just been kind of moseying your way back up. Can't really see too much on this. Yeah, just kind of moseying your way back up. I can't do much with this, unfortunately, but trying to bounce back up. Really, since the dip it had. Looks like it's following Bitcoin pretty closely, so keep that in mind. But Atari token, you gotta like these. You gotta like the gaming ones, man. Those ones performing pretty well, in theory. Thank you, Gwilly. Appreciate the kind words, man. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Start the show earlier. I would start the show earlier, but I got other stuff to do during the day usually, and you know, I obviously want to kind of enjoy my day. I want to do the stream right in the middle of the day. I like doing it at night. It sort of winds me down. I can look at the charts, and I like doing it in the morning too. Sometimes, depending if we're getting price action or whatnot, or if I have anything I need to do or anything. I want to start doing 2 streams a day again. As if Bitcoin, obviously, I'm waiting on Bitcoin to start moving up again. I want to start doing 2 streams a day again, because I like doing it. I can watch the charts all day, especially when Bitcoin's moving up. I can watch the charts all freaking day. I'm sure some of you guys watch the charts all day. I'm always checking my phone. Always checking my phone. Always checking Trading View on my phone. Always. Happy birthday. Thank you, Gabriel. Appreciate the happy birthday wishes. Jordan, you never did Bob's portfolio, so look at Luna for me. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't, man. You're not allowed to have another life, bro. You're literally not allowed. Yeah, all right. Let's do Luna real quick for my guy in the chat. Because I said I would. And I kind of feel like an a-hole if I didn't. All right. And the daily... Let's see what Luna's up to. So Luna... All right. Yeah, I mean, this kind of makes some sense. I like when stuff kind of make... You guys like when stuff makes sense in life? It makes it so much easier. Usually things do make sense. You just don't want to admit that they make sense. You kind of just want to make up some random excuse why it's not making that doesn't make sense. But I don't know where I'm going with this. But you know, it looks like this previous support is now trying to flip his new resistance. At least right now, right? So the key for me is here, can you reclaim this support level on your way up? If you can, you're going to be looking juicy. If you flip this as resistance, you know, you could make your way back down, but you know, ultimately, I mean, it's looking fine. As far as structure goes, it's looking fine, but you definitely want to break back into this, or if anything, at least make a new high with you kind of moseying your way up here. If you can do something like this, where you kind of just mosey your way up here, make a new high, that's fine too. You don't want to get rejected on this and then plummet back down. That's the ultimate key here for Luna. But I mean, the price structure looks fine. Let's see. Like the smaller. Let's check out the 1 hour on this. See if we have anything we got. Yeah, I mean, you have slight bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Keep in mind it is the 1 hour, so you know you got higher highs and you got lower highs, right? It's the 1 hour time frame, like we said. So keep that in mind. It's not the end all be all. You could just be coming back down to test this previous high right here, or these previous highs down to like 50, right around $50. Could come back down and test that and then reverse back to the upside. It's also where your hourly EMA ribbon is too. So a ton of confluence there with the bearish div. Reset the hourly RSI. Boom. Continue way back up. You know? Come on, ETH. We know you want to continue up. Stop playing around. Same thing with Bitcoin, man. Stop playing around, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. I literally be going to sleep listening to crypto. It's getting out of control. Dude, I was like that for a while, and I had to stop, bro, because I was getting a little burnt out. I forget when that was. was like in the middle of this year. I was getting a little bit burnt out for a little bit because I was literally watching crypto content all day, streaming 2 times a day. I was getting so burnt out with crypto, man. I had to stop. And that's when I went back down to 1 stream a day. And I stopped watching as much crypto content lately, dude, because I was getting burnt out for a while. And now I found a good balance now, so which is good. I don't really watch crypto content. I mean, I watch George every now and then. I watch Ben every now and then. I'll watch BitBoy's morning stream every now and then. But I mean, besides that, I'm not watching too many people. I'm really not. I used to watch everyone. Everyone you could think of, I used to watch every single day. It was getting way too much. Bro. And eventually you're just like, dude, I can't do it. But that's just me. I mean, people have different appetites for different things. And I think the reason why I did is because I stream too. You guys don't stream, so it's maybe a little bit different for you. But that's what I'll say about that. Denise said, I remember the burnouts. Yeah. Yeah, like I need to stop. Yeah, a lot of people can do it. Live, eat, breathe crypto. Paper Hand said Savvy every day. I was watching Savvy every day for a little bit. I was. Maybe that's why. I mean, I was watching Savvy every single day with the bearish. We bearish.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
Every single day watching Savvy, bro. Maybe that's why I just kept hearing the same thing.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
And also, friggin' that market makers guy. Bearish mongoose. We're in a bearish mongoose pattern right now. We're going down. I told you, all you bulls in my comment section. Join the best trading group ever down in my comment section down below. We're the best. We're the fastest growing trading group there is on YouTube. Really, bro? Really, bro? Are you? Because every one of these bearish mongoose patterns that you say is going to break out, it ends up going up higher, bro. Friggin' market makers. That guy's a freaking idiot. I just want to be nice about it. You're tricking people into joining this freaking trading group. With this bearish mongoose. I don't like to call people idiots, but I like just Jason Pizzino. Nice. I mean, I'm an idiot too. I'm an idiot too. But I admit it. I admit I'm an idiot. You know what I mean? Like I you guys know. I always tell you guys like this is just all my opinion. I'm an idiot too. Heck, maybe we're all idiots. His name is Jordan also. Yeah, that's true. Jordan from Market Makers. Is it also, his name is Jordan? Wow. Is Optical in here? I don't think he is. I think he stopped watching that stream the day I got pissed at him for his fib circles. All right, guys. Yeah, we went live for like 2.5 hours. I'll probably call it a stream just because Bitcoin and ETH are kind of just chilling. I mean, slightly coming down, but nothing crazy, right? I mean, in reality, we're kind of just going sideways here on Bitcoin, and ETH is just kind of having a little bit of a pullback after a pretty nice move there. Let's see if ETH can get any more momentum to the upside, but I mean, looking fine, right? We're looking fine in the grand scheme of things. We got some work to do, like we said. We'll see what tomorrow brings, right? As long as the stock market continues to look fine, I still think that crypto continues up. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Today was a good start. Stock S&P was up about 1.5 points today, so not too bad. Let's see if tomorrow can continue. All right. Also, remember the 2 people that won on the Instagram giveaway. Hit me up on Instagram. If I don't hear from you guys, I'm just gonna pick 2 other random people. Okay. That's just how it's going to be. So I'll catch you guys later. As always, make sure you guys don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, just don't panic sell your crypto. I'm sure you guys won't do that now. I'm sure you guys know the drill now. All right. Catch you guys later. You guys are the best. Peace. Peace. See you tomorrow at 7. Or maybe 6. Maybe 6. Maybe 6. Probably 6. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? Peace.